Hello Croatian readers, I'm Mariajo Ilustrajo, the author and illustrator of Flooded and I Hate Love Books. Flooded is the story about a city that gets flooded and the animals living in it ignore it until the problem gets really big, and then they start looking for solutions. And this one is about a girl who get the task over summer to read a book, and she found it outrageous because she doesn't like books. She hates them. So her sister recommended her to read a book, and she might end up like them or not. You might need to read the story to find out. Right, so we have very cool questions on the table, so I'm gonna pick the first one. Do you think creativity is just a remand of the childlike playfulness we still carry within us? I think so. I've been drawing since I was very, very little. I keep telling my parents that I wanted to be a painter since I'm 3 years old. So I think, yeah, I carry on playing like I did when I was that age. For me, my job is great because it's a very thin line between a job and how you say, a hobby. So it's great because they pay me for doing what I love most. Right, I'm gonna go with the airplane now. Do you think adults should continue reading picture books? Absolutely. I think as adults we forget to do fun things, and children's books are the more fun books to read, so please do. I'm very, very curious about the carrot, so I'm going to leave that one for the end, and I'm going to go with the glass. Your greatest source of inspiration? Everything, absolutely everything. I think ideas come from everywhere. So sometimes when you are in the tube and you see someone wearing something extravagant, some ideas pop to my head, or is visiting an exhibition, or seeing something funny on the street, or it's just a walk with the dog. So I think ideas come from everywhere. Sometimes I go to bed and it's like, oh! And I need to wake up and write the idea. So yeah. Right, I'm gonna go with the carrot one. Your current project. Right, so I'm working at the moment, this is a spoiler, about very lonely rabbit that loves carrots, and one day he goes to his garden and pulls one that is wriggling, and he's alive. The carrot talks and follows him to his house, and I cannot tell anymore. Right, we have one more question. It was in my bag, so I didn't see it. Your message to children and parents. I guess I hope you like my books and enjoy it. Keep reading, it's really fun. It brings you to different magic worlds, or not magic, but you know, in your imagination. So yeah, keep reading and draw and be adventurous and find what you love most. Right, thank you very much for listening to my podcast. I hope you enjoy it, and I forgot what I want to say. Sorry.